In this video, I will show you on how to subscribe to a channel on your YouTube app or your Google Smart TV without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right there is to go ahead and make sure, for instance, we want to subscribe to a particular channel right here. So we want to make sure we come to the home tab right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to subscribe to this channel right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the video right here. So when you click on the video, let's say, for instance, I want to subscribe to this particular channel that you see display on the screen right here. How can you subscribe to the channel? You just want to make sure you click on this top slider on your remote. The next thing you want to do is to slide to the right side bar right here until you get to subscribe button. Go ahead and click on subscribe. Boom, you have successfully. Just go ahead and click on subscribe right here. Click on subscribe. So go ahead and click on subscribe, and boom, you have subscribed. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the notification bell. Click on notification bell. Then right here, make sure you click on all notification and you are done. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply subscribe to any channel on YouTube app on your Google Smart TV. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.